NinjaTrader users, we all know the frustration. Your indicators give you the perfect signal, but by the time you react and click Sell Market, the opportunity is gone. Let's see how much that delay actually costs you. Watch this. Entering a short position manually. Even on playback at high speed, I'm late. 1, 2, 3 bars later. That delay can turn a winning strategy into a losing one, and it's a gap you cannot afford to have. Human reaction time is your biggest risk. Now, here is the power of Markers Pro. You only need to add 3 tools to bridge that gap. First, the main Markers execution engine. Then, simply add a copy indicator for your long signals and another copy indicator for your shorts. This makes any technical indicator automated. Once configured, you have total control. Select your target and stop loss directly with your favorite ATM strategy. Enable shorts, enable longs, and your indicator is now a precision machine ready to execute with millisecond accuracy. But here is the real game changer: semi-automatic mode. You don't need a bot trading blindly. You maintain control. You decide which market move you are waiting for, activate semi-auto short, and step away from the screen with total confidence. Watch what happens. The very next short signal triggers an instant entry. Look at that placement. It's perfect. It hits the signal exactly where it was placed, far beyond what any human can achieve manually. Stop being distracted. Stop missing your entries. You can be out of the room, and with Markers, your strategy is executed flawlessly. Transform your favorite indicator into a professional execution machine today. Markers Pro, the bridge between analysis and profit. Check the description below and elevate your trading now.